So guys, what we have here is GBP USD. We would want to see where the price will be moving for the next day, which is on the 3rd of September, October, 3rd of October, 2022. So actually to predict this move, guys, we would actually go from the higher time frame. Let's start from the monthly time frame, which will be a quick analysis. But before we get started, if you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like, and also share. Now take a look at this GBP USD. You all can see one movement that is being made right on the monthly time frame. We have actually been on a bearish move. Monthly time frame has been dropping. So at one period of time, it was actually ranging within this area. We saw this price came here. Let's start it from here. So price came here. We had this huge candlestick that pushed up. It came here again. It's rejected, push up. Now this price has broken below this level. So previously this was once resistance and support level, right? We all know the rules of trading support and resistance level is that when price tends to break support level, price will come back to test that support level. So that is the simple movement. Now that this price has broken below the support level, of course, we see this huge candlestick we're rolling up. What we clearly can see is that this price is coming to test the support level, meaning that to test the support level, we are on a bullish move. So it will be more visible on the daily time frame. We would go to that very soon. So monthly time frame, very much we are on a bearish move, right? So price is coming to test the support level before we continue our bearish move. That is one. Secondly, is that this price is still below 10 period moving average. The rules of trading 10 period moving average is that once price is below 10 period moving average, we have to short it. But if it is above 10 period moving average, then we have to go long. But since it is still below 10 period moving average, then there's only one movement to be made, which is to actually short it. That is it. Now let's quickly take a look at weekly time frame. So very much this is exactly what we are talking about, a bearish move. We see that this was previous support level. We saw that price come to this level and reacted, right? We saw also the same thing, price came to this level. We had this huge week where price reacted. So now that this price has broken below it, like I once talked about, price should come and test that same level. So it is exactly what we are having. Let's take a look at this movement here. There was a drop, right? Bearish move, lower lows. This was a lower highs. Another lower lows was made, a little bit of a lower highs here, then a lower lows was made, which actually broke below a level. Of course, what you'll be having is another lower highs. Since we've had a lower lows, then a lower highs should be made, and that lower highs again is what we've had, and to couple with the fact that the price broke below our support level, so of course price should come and test the support level. So it is exactly what we've just gotten on GBP USD. So price is coming to test the support level. So this is meaning that the bullish move for this pullback is not over, but once it is over, we will see a drop on GBP USD. That is one. Secondly, is that this price is still below 10 period moving average. So since it is still below 10 period moving average, we are to short. So GBP USD itself, we are on a bearish move. But as of recent, what we clearly can see is that the pullback, which is a bullish move, is not over yet. Though we would want to short it and go down on the weekly aspect, but the pullback, which is a bullish move, is not over. So be very careful before you place your trade. Now take a look at this daily time frame. It's simple movement also. We can take a look at this movement downward, a correction here, another impulse movement downward. We add a correction on GBP USD, then another huge impulse movement downward. So basically, if you can have this massive drop, of course you should be expecting a correction, right? A correction should be taking place. So this is exactly what you are having on GBP USD. So this is why this GBP for some times now has been giving us this bullish move. So is the correction over? I personally don't believe the correction is over. I still believe that this correction to actually come to take this week, that will be giving us about close to 200 pips. So we still have about 200 pips bullish move. So this Monday that we are trying to look at this analysis from, I still believe we would open and close bullish, by the way. So I mean, we should actually open and close bullish on GBP USD. So watch out for GBP USD. We're very much likely to go bullish, by the way. And coupled with the fact that this price has just broken above 10 period moving average. So now that it is above 10 period moving average, we should at least try and go long a little bit. We should try and go up. Maybe if you can grab 100 pips and you opt out from the trade, then I'll say that is okay for you. I mean, it is not a must you grab 200 pips. At least if you can grab 100 pips within Monday and Tuesday, I think that is enough. Maybe by Wednesday or Tuesday, maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, we might start getting that bearish drop on GBPUSD. But one thing I know for sure Monday is that at least we'll start having that bullish move. Now to place this trade, guys, would actually go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame is the time frame to actually place trade. So I mean, what we clearly can see on this 4-hour time frame is that one, we are on a bullish move. So this is it. As a beginner, you will know that this is a bullish movement upward. That is one. Secondly, is that this price is above 10 period moving average. So since price is still above 10 period moving average, we have to go long. Now take a look at this movement from here, guys. So I will start from here. Bullish move. We had a correction, another bullish move here. Then a correction was made, guys. Then we had this bullish move which broke the previous highs. Then a good amount of drop was made, so we are expected to have a bullish move again. So I think this 4-hour time frame still indicates a bullish move, right? We see that the weekly time frame, a monthly time frame pullback, which is a bullish move, is not over. Weekly time frame, we are still on a pullback, which is a bullish move. It is not yet over. Even the daily time frame, we are still on a pullback, which is bullish move. It is not over. Now to take this trade, we went to the 4-hour time frame, and this 4-hour time frame still says we are on a bullish move, right? So I mean, it is very, very simple. We have to go long, except this price can just be made, except there's a huge drop, or maybe one news has been released about GBPUSD, and that price actually break this, candlestick. Maybe this drop has been made. Maybe then and then we can start shorting it. But if not, we very much likely to continue to go bullish, by the way, except there's a news that has been released, except they just released one news that's okay, and then GBP now change its direction, start dropping, then we can now start shorting. If not, guys, watch out for it. We still have close to 200 pips bullish move to be made on GBP USD. Now let's see what this 1-hour time frame says. See, 1-hour time frame still on a bullish move. So maybe if you want to go bullish, you want to go long on this GBP USD, then wait for this price to actually break this previous highs here. This was the highs here, the previous higher highs. So maybe if this price can actually roll up, that will give us close to about 70 pips. Once the price break above it, then you can actually go long and grab close to 100 pips. 100 pips. So once you grab that 100 pips, I mean, you can now opt out of this trade and see how the market will play out. Then you can wait for the next setup. When it starts giving us a bearish move, then you can now jump on it. But by the way, if you want to enter this trade, you can wait for this price to actually break, or you can actually wait for the price to actually break this previous highs here, right? If this price can actually break this candlestick wick here on the 1-hour time frame and you go long, then it is still fine. It is still good, by the way. So GBPUSD, watch out for it. We're very much likely to go bullish for Monday and Tuesday.